With personal and business finance, you can now directly connect your bank account to QuickBooks for fast and convenient reporting. It's important to note that this tool is designed to work with QuickBooks desktop versions only. It will not work with QuickBooks Online. Before you can link your accounts with QuickBooks, you'll need to set up a password. To do this, log into your online banking account at the top menu, go to the Additional Services tab, then Personal Finance. This next window is where you're going to create your new password to get registered. Enter a new password using the guidelines specified to the right and then hit Submit. An important thing to note here is that for those of you who use Triangle's business banking platform, your password requirements will be slightly different than the ones shown here. Once you've made the password, hit Submit, and you should get the confirmation message here that you're now registered to use connectivity for QuickBooks. Now that we're set up with a password within an online banking account, we'll continue on to the process of setting up a connection within QuickBooks. To start, open the QuickBooks desktop program on your computer and log in using your QuickBooks credentials. At the top menu, navigate to Banking, then Bank Feeds, and then set up bank feeds for an account. If this message to temporarily close all windows pops up, click Yes to continue. QuickBooks will then pull up the bank feeds window where you'll continue with connecting your accounts. The first step is to find your bank. Type Triangle Credit Union into the text box. You'll see a list of options in the drop-down menu. If you use Triangle's consumer banking platform rather than the business banking platform, select Triangle Credit Union DCQB or Direct Connect QuickBooks. If you use Triangle's business banking platform, select the Triangle Credit Union BBDCQB for Business Banking Direct Connect QuickBooks. This selection is important because it depends on the password requirements you previously set. Because they differ based on which online banking platform you use, the connection will not work if the selection doesn't match the right platform. If you don't know whether you're in the consumer banking platform or the business banking platform, remember back to that password that you previously set up in online banking. The shorter passwords that don't require special characters are for the consumer platform. The longer passwords that require special characters are for the business banking platform. Since in this tutorial we set up a password on the consumer banking platform, we'll select Triangle Credit Union DCQB and continue with connecting our account. In this next step, you'll verify that you've already enrolled with the bank. We already completed this step earlier when we created our password within online banking, so now we can click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a username and password. The username is the one you use to log into your online banking account, and the password is the one we created earlier within online banking for personal finance. Once those are entered, click Continue. As soon as the window loads, you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts for each account. Click the drop-down arrow on the right to select the option Select Existing or Create New. The name you put here helps you identify the specific bank account that you want QuickBooks to report. Once you've finished adding your account information, click Save and Close. Take a second to review all the account information you put in, and if everything looks good, click Connect. You've officially completed your connection to QuickBooks. When you're ready, click Close to close the window. If you need assistance getting set up with personal and business finance, Triangle staff can assist you with password resets and registration errors. For all other questions concerning the connection and reporting, contact QuickBooks directly. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy more efficient and easier business transaction reporting with personal and business finance.